Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, you must be wondering why I'm here. Didn't you hear that I'm shifting? Well, I really like doing this social media thing because of you guys. So, like and subscribe. Anyway, today, no book review, no sports tutorial, just football cards pack opening. It's about sports, so it matches the channel. Okay, I swear I haven't looked at any of these cards and they're not official. Don't worry. So I think we should look at them together. So I have my deck here, as you can see. I do not know of these cards. I promise, okay? Yeah. Okay. I don't know who this guy is, like, legit. If you know it, tell me in the comments, guys, because I'm completely clueless. Next card. Oh, okay, we got Sebastian. Cool. I want maybe Ronaldo or Messi, something like that. Some of the legends. And in this pack, 3 Ronaldos is kind of rare. Or Harry Kane. I really like him, and they defeated Norway. If you guys know, tell me in the comments, guys. Nico Williams. I know this guy. I really like him. If you don't, search him up, man. He's a good player. Guys, you would not believe this. We got Harry Kane, baby. Cool. Keep this luck going, guys. This is just because of you. Next. Danny Olmo. Yeah, boy. He's cool. Yeah. Fabian Ruiz. Cool. Crazy, bro. Crazy. You gotta be kidding me. It's Cristiano Ronaldo, Madrid. But it has unnecessary. It's his current club. But no way. Imagine I get a Lamine Yamal. I'll be happy. I'll be so happy. He's such a good player at 18. He plays for Spain, by the way. Okay, last one. Come on, play this for Yamal. Come on, play it. No. Guys, you're rigging this. You guys are rigging this. I'm telling you. You guys are actually rigging this. A 2 double Cristiano Ronaldo in a row. No, you guys are rigged this. I'm telling you. But, okay, my luck. Anyway, bye.